Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this curly flip over with clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so this is the box that the package came in. Okay, so the first thing I got from them is this detangling brush. I just feel like they really, I don't know, they detangle their hair well, really well. And then the next thing it comes with is some extra clips in case you need extra clips. And then my favorite, they're adjustable on it. So now onto the hair. This is the bag that it comes in, and then this is what the hair is looking like fresh out the pack. I don't know, I feel like I can already tell this is gonna come out like really cute. I'm just gonna do a flip over. I thought about doing like a middle part plus a flip over, but I feel like that's going to be too much. Okay, so for my leave out, I'm gonna get some flexi rods. I'm gonna get the smallest one. I don't know how big this is, but this is how big it is. And then I'm just gonna flexi rod all of my leave out with a little bit of mousse. Use any mousse, but yeah. Okay, so this is how my leave out looks, and then I'm gonna start applying the clip-ins, and I'm gonna apply them from biggest to smallest. So 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, and then the rest of the 2s, and I'm just gonna apply that from bottom to top. So this is how the hair looks. It's completely dry. So far, I think it looks pretty good. The curls are really juicy. It's really voluptuous. I think my leave out is dry, so I'm about to unravel my leave out, and I guess we'll just see how it comes out. This is my first time actually doing flexi rods, so I don't know. Oh wait. Okay. Oh wait. Oh wait, I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh, that actually came out pretty good. Okay, that's how the first one came out, and I might stretch it out or I might just leave it like this, but I'm gonna finish taking the rest out. So this is how it looks after I took all the flexi rods out. I think it looks pretty good so far, but I'm gonna separate the curls and then further blend it with the clip-ins. I think it came out pretty cute. And then also, I probably will stretch out these curls, like maybe get a blow dryer or just tie it so they can be a little longer. It looks pretty good. I might end up layering it more so it can like frame my face more and then blend in with my leave out more. Today is Sunday. I'll come back probably like Wednesday or Thursday so you guys can see like how it looks throughout the days. Hey guys, it's currently Friday, so I've had this hair in since Sunday, so 5 days, and this is how the hair is looking. I just filmed a video and I just took the flexi rods out. This is how the hair looks like right after I take the flexi rods out and then like separate the curls. But I'm going to show you guys what I do to make my leave out blend more, and then I'm going to talk about the hair. some of my hair is like, they might stick up a little bit. That hair is sticking up and we don't want that. So what I do is I grab a piece of hair and then I grab like one of the strands from the clip-ins and I'll just twist the ends, or sometimes I'll twist it from the root. But like in this case, the root looks fine, it's just the ends that are like sticking out. So I'll just get the hair and twist it with the clip-ins so that you can't see where my hair ends, and it just all looks like it's all one strand, if that makes sense. Like, you know, like it doesn't look like, oh, it's a leave out. It just looks like, yeah, that's her hair. I can't tell where it starts when it stops. I just know it looks like her hair, you know. But yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. But this is how the hair looks. Everything looks pretty good to me. And I mainly wear it in this like side part. But this is how this side looks. Again, it doesn't look the best because I mainly just wear it like this. But you can, you know, you adjust it to the way you want to wear your hair. But I literally never wear it anyway except this way. I didn't like comb through the hair or anything like throughout the week. There are like a couple curls I refreshed because they look frizzy or whatever. I didn't redo my hair. So this is how the hair looks after 5 days. As far as my leave out, I actually didn't use flexi rods every night. I only used them, I want to say once or twice, honestly. And then like the other nights, I would just leave my hair. And then in the morning, I would either put a headband on or I would just twist the hair from the root. For example, say this is the morning and like this hair or this hair is like sticking out and it's like looking really frizzy or whatever. I'll just grab one of the clip-ins that's like closest to it and I'll just twist it. Now it's like intertwined. So now you really can't tell that, oh, that hair is frizzy, or you know, it's not sticking out, it's just blended in. If my hair is looking a mess, I'll either just put on a headband and like push it back, or I'll just twist the whole strand with one of the strands from the clip-ins. Okay, I think I went over everything, but again, this is the water kinky. Yeah, this is the water kinky curly clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. I got it in 22 inches. Yes, this is the 22 inches. I cut it a little bit and then I layered it so it could frame my face more. But this is how the hair is looking. I really love it so much. This is my 3rd time working with this company. So I mean, I feel like that should show you how good their hair is. Like, I've tried 3 of their clip-ins and I liked every one, honestly. I feel like that should just show you how good their hair is. I've liked every single one I've received. 0 complaints. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll leave all the information on this hair and all the information for CURLSQUEEN in the description. So if you want to order this hair or if you want to look at other hair that they have, then make sure you check my description box. I'll see you next time. Bye.